Yesterday we have learned about present. Today we are doing past. Okay, second is three. In tenses, three are there: present, past, and future. Second one is past tense. In past tense, there are four kinds of tenses. First one, A. That is simple past. What we tell? Simple past. Okay. In simple past, first we will write the rule. What is the rule of simple past? Subject. Okay. Plus V2 means verb second form plus object. Okay. Like example. I ate. Subject I ate food. I ate food in afternoon. Okay, I ate food in afternoon. We took ate. Object what? Food in afternoon. One more example. She drank. Okay. First form is drink, second form is drank. She drank a glass of milk. She drank a glass of milk. Okay. One more sentence we can make. He jumped. He jumped on the bed. Okay. He subject jump. We took on the bed object. Okay. Like this you complete this. You will write first, second. Yesterday we have written four tenses. This second past tense, simple past. Okay. In that subject we took object. This is a rule. In this three sentences you will write by yourself like this. After this I will do the second one. We will copy in your fair copy. Okay, once again you see, in simple past, what is the rule? Subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, subject means this pronoun is called subject. V2 means second form of the verb. Like this you see, eat. This is B1, B first form. B second form, what it is? Ate. B third form, eaten. This is called verb 1, verb first form, verb second form, verb third form. Same like the drink. Drink is in first form. Drank in second form. And drunk in third form. But you should know this. First form, second form and third form. Then only you can write this V2, what it comes. V1 is ate, V1 is eat, V2 is ate, and V3 means eaten. This verb, you should know what is the second form of verb, what is the first form of verb. But in past tense only we will use verb second form. Then after this we will write past continuous. Okay, past continuous. In this, first we will write rule. In past continuous, we can write subject plus was, were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Okay. Subject was, were. If continuous is there, always whenever continuous ing is there, we will use only verb first form. It might be anywhere. It might be present continuous, past continuous or future continuous. We will use ing because continuous means ing form with V1 form. Then we can write I was. For I, what we can use for singular was. I was eating. I was eating mango. Subject type. Helping verb both cannot be used. Only one was or were. I was is used. Okay. I was eating. V1 means eat. Then ing object mango. E. For E it comes he was. He was riding a bicycle. Okay, he was riding a bicycle. E subject was helping verb ride V1 and ing riding. V1 plus ing that is riding. Object is a bicycle. Third she. Instead of she, we can change, we use we. We okay. Were. We were. In we, what we use? We were. We were playing football. Okay. We were playing football like this. Okay, see. I was eating mango. He was riding a bicycle. We were playing football. Like this sentence will come in past continuous. This is the helping verb. You see, what is I? It is pronoun. Was helping verb. Eating, it is verb in continuous form. Mango, what it is? Object. Like this, you have to know the single word also to which it belongs. Okay. Whatever is coming here, I, he, we, this all are subject. Okay. It might be name, otherwise noun or pronoun. Always will come in first. That is the subject. And this is was, where it is helping verb. According to the pronoun, you will use was and were. You will write in your fair copy now. This much. Okay, next we'll see. After past continuous, it is past perfect. It is past perfect. Okay, next is past C. Past perfect. Okay. Next we are taking past perfect. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Same sentence if you want to again repeat. I had. Then we third. And now I told you eat, ate, eaten. That is third form. I had eaten food in the afternoon. You see, because I already told you V1, V2, V3 is there. Eat is V1, ate is V2, and eaten is V3. We have to use here what? V3. That's why I have taken V3 this one, eaten. Okay. Next. She had played. She had played in the afternoon. Okay, this. She, subject she, had, V3, played, object in the afternoon. Okay. Then we had played. Okay. We had played. Okay. Last week. But you can also continue and write, no problem. Okay. Like this, you will complete the sentence. You see, in past perfect, what is the rule? Subject plus had only. In present perfect, had and has and have. But in past perfect, only had is there. And this is this verb third form. What it is? Verb third form is this one. We will use this one in this. Okay. You can complete this one. Next we'll see past perfect continuous. Next we'll do D1, past perfect continuous. In this only what we have to check, it is in ing form, okay, that's why subject plus had plus being, okay, subject plus had plus being plus V1 plus ing, okay, plus we can use with object, we can use since for, since and for also we can use. This one since for it can come before also, it can come afterward also. Sometimes it comes before and sometimes it comes after the object. Again I am saying since and for, okay, there is no place for it. It can come before object also. In present perfect continuous, you see, we have written before. You can check it in present continuous. We have written first since for, then object we have written in present perfect continuous. Okay, but this can come in before also. It can come before the object. Otherwise, after the object also, it can come this one. Okay. Now you see subject. You can take I had been eating, okay, food since afternoon. Okay, like this. Means your object has come before, then afterward since has come. Sometimes it comes before also, sometimes it comes after the object also. This one you can use as optional. You can leave out. You can sometimes leave also if you don't want to write since. If you want to use the time, then you use since and for. Otherwise, it will not come also sometimes. Using it, she had been playing. She had been playing since morning. Since morning in the ground. You see now? Is it changed? Now you see, object has come last. Since I was before. Since morning. Means it is not this anywhere it can come. It can come before the object, otherwise after the object also we can use since or for to show the time. And sometimes there is no need to write this one since. You see, in next sentence I will tell you we are not using since or for. Like directly we are writing. Like we are playing. Sorry, we had been. Sorry, we had been. Playing. Okay. Last we can use since. We can without using approximation as well as we can continuously. We can use also without using also we can write like this it will come. But only have to remember since and for can come before the object also and after the object also in any sentence. Okay, and you no need to think that the formula has been written here. That's why we have to use there only. No, according to the sentence we can use last also. Okay, after object also you can use it as before the object also. You copy the sentence. Okay, past perfect continuous. Okay, like this. You'll write the rules first, then this three sentences. Okay, this is past perfect continuous. After this, we are writing the formula of future also. Next, after this, we are taking future tense. C3. Okay, future tense. In future tense, what we are taking? First, we will write the first in this A. Simple future. Simple future. Okay. In this, we can first we'll write the rule, subject, repeat as example. We shall, we once play in the evening. Do you like the sentence? Okay. We shall play in the evening. Then I shall eat breakfast. I shall eat breakfast now. Okay, like this. Then she will attend class after 2 hours. Means in future you are saying what is going to happen in future. Means you see, she will attend. Okay, she will attend. Means she is going to attend. When? After the 2 hours. It might be true also, it might be false. Sometimes due to some reason she might not attend the class also. We are saying in future tense. Okay. We shall play in the evening. You are telling your friends that we shall play in the evening. Means in future what you are going to do next after the times, that is called as future tense. I shall eat breakfast now. Like the sentence are called simple future. You will write this rule first. Subject plus will shall plus verb first form, then object. And in will and shall for I and we. Okay. In I and we you can use shall. Okay, you can write in note this one. And remaining he, she, they, we. Okay, in this you can use will. Okay, will and shall. In I and we can use shall, and remaining, sorry, not to be. He, she, they, and it. Okay, in this we will use will like this. Okay. Okay, now you see, in future tense you have written after here, and tomorrow we will continue from future tense only second form. After simple future, which one is there? Future continuous. But in next class, we are starting from here. Up till here you have to complete. Okay, whatever I am writing on the board, you will complete in your fair copy, because in book it is not there. In book directly they have written only this much they have written. In book only this much is given. This will not be understood. That's why I am making my own and telling you how to do this. Okay? Can you understand? This one, whatever I am writing on the board, you will write in your fair copy. You can copy in rough copy. Then you have to do in your fair work. Like this. This is, and you copy the note also. Then only you can understand. Okay? If note is there, then easily you can identify. And after that, these rules are very important. You will learn all the rules. Okay, you have sufficient time at home also. This whatever rules you have written, you will learn daily and you will write without seeing also. Okay, this one is very important. Okay, in all tenses, whatever formula you have written, with formula you will practice doing this examples also like this. Okay, up till here it will be completed, and tomorrow's class will start from B. In future tense, total there are 4. I have done only 8. B we will do tomorrow, that is future continuous. Thank you.